Muingi wa matura matiganite kaunti-ini ya Murang'a ukoretwo githie na mbere kwamukira mathomo megie mendekithia maria mari riboti-ini ya BBI. Kiama gia PNU gikoretwo muhari-ini wa mbere gutabania mathomo maya na gukinyagia riu muingi wa matura ma Maragwa na Kiharu ni marikitie kwamukira gutaririo.
So tukipata at least leaders wa kutoka sehemu different za nchi, youth wa kutoka hizo sehemu wanafahamishwa kuwa masilahi yao yatasaidika.
Andu ethĩ nao moritio gukorwo muhari-ini wa mbere kunyita riboti ino mbaru, atongoria PNU makiuga ni kieha kinene kuona atongoria amwe magikuruhania riboti ino na githurano kia mwaka wa 2022.
Towards election twina mieri 18 and in our view ni twagirirwo ni kuhe thirikari of the day time to do its work. On side of BBI, it's a completely different process, a near future process,
whereby we are anchoring this particular benefit so that when money comes to the grassroots, we know for sure that it is going to transform our local economies.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Murang'a, ritwa riakwa ni Victor Kinothia.